Welcome to Roshko Rajbhandary. If you love painting and want to explore the world of colors, creativity, and techniques, you're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, my step-by-step tutorials will help you bring your artistic vision to life. From vibrant acrylic paintings to intricate brushwork, I'll guide you through every stroke. So grab your brushes, unleash your creativity, and let's paint together. Don't forget to subscribe for new tutorials every week. Would you like me to tweak it based on your style or specific themes you focus on? Pros of acrylic painting. 1. Quick drying time. Acrylic paints dry much faster than oils, allowing artists to layer quickly without long waiting periods. This is great for those who like to work on projects in one sitting. 2. Versatility. Acrylics can mimic the effects of watercolors when diluted with water or create thick, textured effects like oils when used straight from the tube. They can be applied to various surfaces, such as canvas, wood, paper, glass, and fabric. 3. Easy cleanup. Acrylic paints are water-based, so cleaning brushes and tools only requires soap and water, making it less toxic and more convenient. 4. Durability. Once dried, acrylics are water-resistant and less prone to cracking or yellowing compared to oil paints. 5. Affordable and accessible. Acrylics are often more affordable than oil paints and are widely available, making them beginner-friendly. 6. Color vibrancy. Acrylic paints are known for their vibrant colors and maintain their brightness after drying. 7. Non-toxic options. Many brands offer non-toxic acrylic paints, making them safer for both artists and the environment. 8. Flexible drying time control. With the addition of retarders or slow-drying mediums, artists can extend the drying time if needed. Cons of acrylic painting. 1. Quick drying time. While quick drying can be a pro, it can also be challenging for beginners or for blending colors over extended periods. Mistakes can become harder to fix. 2. Color shift. Acrylic paints sometimes darken slightly as they dry, which can make achieving the desired final color tricky. 3. Less historical prestige. Compared to oil or watercolor, acrylics have a shorter historical use and might lack the traditional appeal some artists prefer. 4. Limited open time for blending. Acrylics dry so fast that blending and creating smooth gradients can be difficult unless a retarder is used. 5. Requires mediums for specific effects. To achieve certain textures or effects, e.g., high gloss or heavy texture, additional mediums or additives are often required. 6. Plastic-like finish. Dried acrylics can sometimes have a synthetic, plastic-like appearance that may not appeal to all artists. 7. Environmental impact. While water-based, acrylic paints are made from synthetic polymers, and improper disposal can contribute to environmental pollution. Eight. Permanent when dry. Mistakes are harder to correct compared to watercolors, as dried acrylic paint cannot be reactivated with water.
Summary.
Acrylic painting is ideal for artists looking for versatility, vibrant colors, and convenience. However, its fast drying time and synthetic nature might pose challenges for certain techniques or artistic preferences.